How to fix scanner error WA003-0100 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Perform a system restart. A simple restart of both your computer and scanner can resolve temporary communication issues that might be causing the WA003-0100 error. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause communication problems between your scanner and the computer, leading to the WA003-0100 error. Reinstalling the drivers ensures that the software used by your system is up to date and compatible with your scanner. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Check the USB connection. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Run the Windows troubleshooter. Windows also has integrated troubleshooters to identify and solve many problems. Among these are troubles related to the use of a scanner. Run the troubleshooter. It may automatically check for and fix problems involving your scanner.